wanna cook up now, oh. You wanna cook your pussy, oh. You wanna cook it for it, oh. Call the mommy, oh. She go run it, oh. Oh yeah, rice, spice me the time and beef. I'ma kick ass fish, oh yeah, which kind dish? Shoot the pepper, half cook a fine like this. And the dick can come with every time.
Welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making beef and broccoli stir fry today. So we have a lot of ingredients in front of us. I'll be adding cooked wine. This is salt, chicken bouillon, baking soda. I'll add a cornstarch, and a little bit cookie oil. You can call it vegetable oil. So mix together. If you want to use your hand to mix it, you can do that. Just to let you know, I already have this already cut beef. This is the pieces. Like this, you have to try to make sure they little bit small like that. However you want it anyway. Don't mix this. I will be mixing the sauce together. I have water, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. I'll just use this spoon. This is the remaining baking powder. I will add it for the sauce. I'll start with this one, cornstarch, and also add the sugar. So mix them together. I would like to add a little bit cornstarch to it because I don't want it to really that dark like this. Okay, I'll just use all. You see the measurement of everything we use. We'll write it there. To stir them together till they are all totally mixed together. So I will just leave this one and go for the next set. Then I'll just add the broccoli. So I have the broccoli there. I will be trying to make the beef now fried. So that's the broccoli. Okay, let's get started. I just want to add a little bit more so I can fry them twice. Let it cook for at least 5 minutes. I just leave the broccoli for 2 minutes because I don't want to put ice for it to come down. That's why I just do just 2 minutes is okay. So you can see I use two type of beef because I get them out from from freezer. We usually buy some meat keep, so we will not be buying every time to save some more. You can see the beef have two kind of and I check the both. Look at them. They already properly. So the next batch. So as I'm taking the beef out of the oil, I put the stove on mid, and you don't even have to wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, or overnight before frying it. So you can just do it immediately, just as I do mine. But if you want to season your own overnight, you can also do that. So at this point, I off the stove because I need to take the oil out and then start doing the rest things. So I will just continue with this one. That's the garlic. I don't have to wash the pan. The onion. This is the one we mixed, the soy sauce and every other thing we mixed together. So I will let it cook for you like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm adding ginger now and this pepper. You don't really necessarily have to add pepper, but yeah, I just need pepper on it. Now we're putting the beef we fried. You just keep stirring. Remember the downside, the pot is already burnt, but yeah. I will just do it for like 2 minutes, then I'll add the broccoli. So I will be adding a little bit oil from here. Just 3 spoons is enough. And then come the broccoli. Just mix them together. Your sauce is ready. Our beef and broccoli stir fry ready. Done. So our sauce is ready. Good to go. It's very good with this kind of basmati rice. You can just use it for whatever you want to use it for. But for me, I like using it to eat rice. Very good. Thank you for watching our video. We are grateful. See you next week. Please share and help us to like. Try the sauce too if you never prepare something like this before. Yeah. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.